Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It is a device that produces a narrow, intense beam of monochromatic light with low divergence. The laser works based on the principle of stimulated emission of radiation, which occurs when an atom or molecule is stimulated to emit a photon of light by absorbing a photon of the same frequency. The emitted photons are then amplified and focused into a beam of light. A laser typically consists of three components: an energy source, an active medium, and a resonant cavity. The energy source provides energy to the active medium, which can be a gas, solid, or liquid, and excites the atoms or molecules to a higher energy state. When the atoms or molecules return to their ground state, they emit photons of light that are then amplified by passing through the resonant cavity. The resonant cavity typically consists of two mirrors placed opposite to each other. One mirror is partially transparent, allowing some light to escape and form the laser beam. The other mirror is fully reflective, reflecting the light back into the cavity for further amplification. Lasers are used in a wide range of applications, including communication, data storage, surgery, cutting and welding, printing, and many others.